Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. It's Eleonora here from Dermacure, and today I will demonstrate how I'm performing mesotherapy treatment on full face and a little bit around the eyes. I will be using Giallo Pro mesotherapy cocktail. So it's mainly based on hyaluronic acid. It's recommended to do 5-6 sessions every couple of weeks to see maximal results. So if you want to see more videos like that, you can subscribe to our channel. If you have done that treatment before, or if you are performing, or if your practitioner is performing the treatment, you can put any feedback or any comments in the section below. So I have cleansed the skin, so make sure no makeup. I will be wiping the skin with Clinisept, which is to remove any bacteria, pollution, anything from the skin, so the skin is sterile before I start injecting. I've done actually on me 2 treatments recently and I really love the results. So let's see how my model will feel. So what I'm using is 30G needle and it's 13 millimeters. Yeah, but you know, I will be changing them from time to time, just it depends. And yeah, so I use another needle, I think it's 18G, yeah, to just take out the solution. My model doesn't have any numbing cream on, so we will be doing it without. So she might be a little bit sensitive, so no numbing cream. I also have the treatment done without numbing cream, but usually to feel quite comfortable, we'll apply numbing cream. So yeah, I think it's important. Yeah, for a few days after treatment, no hot shower, steam sauna, any active exercises, so the skin can really heal well. Stay away from the sun. And yeah, you can enjoy the results as soon as a week post-treatment. So you can really see the skin hydrated, plumped, lifted. You know, it's very good for fine lines, wrinkles. It's just a really incredible procedure. It's very good to repair the cells, hydrate the cells. Also, it's good for healing and just basically repair damaged cells. So yeah, let me show you now how I'm doing this. So Giallo Pro is absolutely incredible product. It's really popular. It's FDA approved and CE marked. Yeah, it's important to mix them together, so I'll just show you how I do that. Yeah. I will just good. Open my syringe. Take off the needle. Take the solution from here. Just like that. And then open that. And I have to just pour this inside. So I'm going to do this, just be very careful. That's it. Perfect. Mix together and it's ready to be injected. I'm just going to take my solution from here. So I think altogether I've got about 3 ml, 1 on each side, forehead and the 2 sides of the face, which is perfect. And I'm going to use my first needle to inject. I'll let you know. I will move you. Yeah, I'll move her if I need anything. 2 little ones here. 1, 2, 3. How is it? Super. Perfect.
It's not painful at all.
Perfect. Boris. Perfect. Make it just like that. Okay. And put very little bit. You can still see the lumps. But yes, it's difficult, Maggie, for sure. For sure it's difficult. So we'll go about Is it fine? Painful? Perfect. 1, 2, 3. I think it's time to change my needle. Okay, nice. Just gonna change my needle now. Now I do very superficial. It's good. It's okay? Huh? Two, three, just one. That's it. Make it pain? Not very perfect.
No.
Just like that. Perfect. 1, 2, 3. Done. Okay. Yeah, there's some of them they can feel the resistance. 1, 2, 3. It's okay. Perfect. And do here feel. 2, 3. Okay, perfect. Think it's okay?
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Nice. Perfect. So I just finished with the procedure. I have wiped the skin with Clinisept all over. And now I'm going to apply 2 creams. One is for calming and the other one is also calming, but it has a little bit of color. So we call Blemish Balm. So it's really going to calm the skin. It has zinc oxide and will reduce the redness. And it's also gonna help the skin heal quicker. Yeah, so downtime it's super minimal. Okay, so that's fine. And thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions related to that video, please put them in the section below. And I hope you enjoyed it, and please subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see more videos like that. And I hope I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.